Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install entertainment applications to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, please don't forget to drop us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Now, if you own a Hisense Smart TV, you must know by now that Hisense Smart TV doesn't allow you to install external applications from Google Play Store, downloader, or anywhere. The only applications you can get on a Hisense TV are the applications that are found in the App Store. But nonetheless, there are lots of interesting applications found in the App Store. And in this video, I want to show you how to install the entertainment applications on Hisense Smart TV. So it's simple. On your Hisense TV, just go over to your App Store. Now it's going to take a while to load depending on your internet, but here's mine. So when your App Store loads like this, what you have to do is just to scroll down a little bit, and you see that there are lots of categories here. So the applications have been divided into categories: music, lifestyle, stuff. So what we're actually looking for is the entertainment category. So you just keep scrolling down until you see it, and here is it, entertainment. And in the entertainment, here are the applications you can install on your Hisense Smart TV. There are a couple of them, not that many. There are just around 8 applications. Okay, there are 10 applications here you can install. So to install is quite simple. All you have to do is to scroll over it and just click it once. Once you click it, it just automatically bring you here where you're just going to click install, and then the application has been installed and then open on your smart TV. And that's how to install any entertainment application to your Hisense Smart TV.